Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I am Hugh and today I am going to show you how to train ChatGPT so that it understands you and it does exactly what you want it to do. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to use ChatGPT, and if you don't have an account yet, it's very easy to create. I am using the Pro version, and you don't have to use the Pro version. You can use the free version. So how are we going to train ChatGPT to understand us and do exactly what we want it to do? Once you have your account created, go over to your profile right over here, click on it, and then click on Customize ChatGPT right here. In the custom instructions, you want to let ChatGPT know who you are and what you want it to know about you. So you can fill out this information when you have time and just give it as much information as you want. And once you are done with that, go down here on this section. How would you like ChatGPT to respond? And this is the prompts that I use, and I am going to include this prompt in the description below for you to use, okay? And after that, once you are done, then click Save. We are now back in the home page, and I do want you to use a brand new chat. Just go over here and then click on New Chat right here, okay? This is very important in the prompt. I want you to use this prompt right here. I'm going to put that prompt in the description as well. This prompt is very specific to train ChatGPT to understand what you want it to do. So once I have this prompt, I am going to click Continue or click the arrow. This prompt right here is the expert prompt engineer. And from this expert, we will create other experts within a topic or within a niche that we wanted to create an expert in. And you'll understand in a little bit as I go along. So this one, I will call it the master expert. Open up the toolbar over here. And right here, I am going to name it. Click on the three dots and rename it. I am going to rename it Master ChatGPT 2. And in this prompt, let's ask it to create an expert in any topic, in any niche, in any field that you want it to be. So right here, I'm going to put down. Create for me an expert ChatGPT in script writing. And then press enter. You'll have all of this right here. It's very specific and very, very detailed. So this is what we have. And this one is the expert in script writing GPT. What I want you to do now is to copy all of this all the way right here up until this point. Copy this and then open up a new chat right here. New chat right there. Click on it and then paste that right here and press enter. So now you have an expert in script writing. And it's very, very detailed and very, very specific. It's the reason being is that our prompt previously gives instruction to ChatGPT to do exactly what we want it to do. It's right here to write you whatever script you want it to work on. And trust me, ChatGPT will write you anything that you want it to write, but you have to be specific. So I'm going to go back to the toolbar, and right here under the script writing, right here, I am going to rename it script expert. Right there, so that we don't get confused, because there's going to be a lot of experts that you're going to create. So if you want to create a script expert, then you go in here and ask the expert to write you a script. So we're gonna go and add and create another expert. To do so, you go back to the master ChatGPT, the first one that we created right here. Click on that. So this is the first ChatGPT expert that we ask it to create for us, which is the script expert. So next, I am going to create another expert. It could be any expert that you want. I am going to create an expert in mindset. So I'm going to ask it to create for me an expert ChatGPT and mindset. And then press enter. So this will be our mindset expert. So this is the expert in mindset right here. So this is our expert in mindset right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy all of this all the way, and then copy all of this, and then open up a new chat right over here. And then paste that right here and press enter. Now you have a mindset expert. So you can ask this expert anything about mindset. Go back to the toolbar and then rename it to mindset expert. So far we have the main master prompt ChatGPT. That's the main master. And then from that, we created script expert. That was our first. And then we created the mindset expert. So the process is the same. So go back to master ChatGPT again. And let's say, for example, you want to create, here's a good one, ebook expert. So that it could help you write ebooks. Create for me an expert ChatGPT in ebook. And then press enter. Now you have an ebook GPT expert. And it's going to help you craft ebooks across various topics. Alright, so this is the expert in ebook. So what you want to do again, the same process, copy it. Open up a new chat right here again. Paste that right here and press enter. Go back to the toolbar and then rename it to ebook expert. So far we created 3 experts. The first one is in the script expert, the second one is the mindset expert, and the third one is the ebook expert. Alright, so this is it. I hope this helped someone out there to create a ChatGPT and to train it and for it to understand what you want it to do. I've been using this for a long time. Remember, ChatGPT will make mistakes because it's trying to understand what you want it to do, and at the same time, you're learning how to ask the right questions so that you can receive the right answers. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that I can continue to create more contents like this. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video.